Hi guys, welcome to my makeup tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this beautiful, flawless, sun-kissed, bronzy summer makeup look with some products that I received from Justine. So they sent me this big box of goodies. So Justine has a full makeup range. It's called the Purely Perfect range. The range goes beyond just makeup and color. They like to call it color with care because it contains skincare properties that help to nourish, to moisturize and protect your skin. A lot of the products have SPF 15 in them. Some of them have hyaluron in them, which helps to absorb impurities and helps to clear your skin. Some of them even have glycerin in them, which helps to retain moisture in your skin. So I've used the product. If you didn't know, Justine now has a online shopping site where you can buy every single one of their products, from their tissue oils to their lifestyle products, as well as the Purely Perfect range, which I've used in today's tutorials. So let's get into the tutorial so I can show you how I achieved this look. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think of the look in the comments, and let me know if you would shop the products as well. Enjoy. Okay, so I've already prepped my skin with my skincare routine. I used the Justine A Firm brightening skincare range, and then I also went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera and primed my skin with a hydrating primer as well. So I'm just going to go into my foundation, which is the Justine Purely Perfect liquid foundation with SPF 15, and mine is in the shade Soft Honey. So I'm just gonna put a couple of pumps on the back of my hand, apply that to my face, and then I'm gonna blend it out with the Justine Beauty Blender. This expanded so nicely. I think it's almost doubled in size, if not maybe a quarter, but it's really soft. I dampened it and it expanded really nicely. You can sort of see how soft it is. So I'm gonna use this to apply the foundation all over my face. So I can already see the coverage is medium to full, which I don't mind at all, especially for summer, because you don't want something that's going to be too heavy on your skin or end up looking too cakey. You can always build up the coverage if you want more coverage or if you want it to look fuller. I love how the sponge is applying the foundation. So I've still got some foundation on the back of my hand. I'm going to add the rest of it just to give me a little bit more coverage. In terms of feel, it's quite lightweight. It feels a little bit silky, and then when it comes to the skincare benefits of the Purely Perfect foundation, it's got glycerin in it, which is great for moisture and hydration for your skin, as well as SPF 15, which helps to protect your skin from the sun, which can cause like aging and all of that. So you know when you're using a foundation like this that your skin is protected even underneath the makeup, so you don't have to worry about aging or your skin not being protected. Can I just say, I'm officially obsessed with the sponge. Like, it applies everything so beautifully, including the concealer. It doesn't absorb too much product, and I just can't get over how soft and squishy it is. Okay, so I've applied the concealer on the high points of my face, my forehead, my nose, under my eyes and my chin. And now I'm just going to apply my Justine Purely Perfect mineral powder. It also has SPF 15, and this is in the shade Light. So I'm just going to decant some. Oh, it's quite fine. So I'm going to decant some onto the back of the lid, and then I'm going to apply it just to set where I highlighted. I think I might even, because it's a little bit of like a translucent-ish shade, I think I'm actually going to use it to set all over my face, just to make sure that the makeup doesn't move around throughout the day. very lightweight, literally seeps into the concealer and the rest of the products that I've applied, which is great because you don't want something that's going to be cakey and heavy, especially during the warmer months. So it's perfect for the natural sort of no makeup look, you know. I also like the fact that the powder, which is interesting, that the powder itself has SPF 15, so even after you've applied your foundation and your concealer and all your other cream products, then you know that your skin is still protected from the sun throughout the day. It also contains an ingredient called kaolin, which is known for its absorbing properties. It draws out impurities from your skin, helping to make your skin clear. So that's where the whole skincare color with care aspect comes in when it comes to the setting powder as well. So I think I'm definitely going to set my entire face with it, and then I'm going to dust it off with a brush and continue just to bronze my skin after that. So next up, I'm going to do a little bit of a contour. I have the Justine Purely Perfect pressed powder with SPF 15 as well, and mine is in the shade Natural Medium Deep. So this would be a little bit too dark for me to set my whole face with. I don't know if you can see that. It would be too dark to set my whole face with. I love the packaging. Look how sleek that is. It's got a mirror on the inside as well. Gorge. So yeah, I'm going to use it to do a little bit of a contour instead. I'm going to do my cheeks, my forehead, and then my nose as well. So I'm just going to use tapping motions with a contouring brush. So it's not even going to be like a dark contour because the powder is similar to my skin tone, but it's a little bit darker, so it wouldn't work to set the whole face. So it's just going to give me a little bit of warmth. So I'm going to bronze my chin area as well. So what I do with the powder contour is I don't apply it in like streaky motions. I first tap the product into my skin as I've been doing now, and then I blend it in like circular motions because you also don't want to move around the cream products that you already applied. I love how subtle this is. Gonna apply a little bit more. And now I'm just blending it in so there aren't any harsh lines. So like I said, I'm gonna go back into my pressed powder and I'm just gonna dip a eyeshadow brush into it and apply it all over my eye just to give my eyes a little bit more color. So just very lightly, not even in like a precise way, but just all over the eye. Like so. I'm gonna apply the Purely Perfect eyeliner in the shade brown. It's just a normal pencil. So what I like to do, because they obviously come sharp like this, I like to just sort of make it a little bit blunt on the back of my hand just so that it doesn't like stab my eye. So I've always seen people say that they use a brown eyeliner instead of a black eyeliner and how that makes your eye pop just a little bit more. And I've never used a brown eyeliner, but this looks really nice. So for my lips, I've decided on the Justine Purely Perfect Creamy Lipstick in the shade Power Pink. It's a beautiful, bright pink color. I think it's going to be perfect just to complete the look and give it that summer, bright summer feel. This also contains SPF 15 if I'm not mistaken. Oh, how pretty. Okay, I'm officially craving a lunch date. How pretty is this? Love, love, love how bright this is. Also a really creamy, soft texture. Feels quite hydrating, so I know that my lips aren't going to be dry throughout the day. So this is the Purely Perfect Volume Mascara. That's what it looks like. It's also got quite a nice wand. So you can see the wand is quite long, and then towards the end it's a little bit smaller, just so you can get into your lashes nicely. So I'm just gonna apply some.